Hi guys, this is Becca of Frosted Fern Crafts, and today we're going to be opening this box. So I received this in the mail today, and I'm quite excited to get it open and see all of the stuff that's inside. I did place this order on Aliexpress, maybe 3 weeks ago, and it's now arrived. It was over $100-something. I'll put it down in the description, and I'll put the store down in the description as well. So let's get started. Ooh, stuff's already falling out. So this is just a little gift where we can see that there's 2 molds, and then there's this other little star mold in there, and this looks like some paw prints as well. So let's get this open. So we have the paw prints and a little cat, super cute. We have this little star-shaped mold. We have some of these crystal beads, which I think are quite new from the store, because I think they just added these. Then we have the lollipop mold. And last but not least, some cabochons. This one's a cute little bunny. This one looks like one of their Sakura ones. And a cute little bow. And that was just the free gift, I believe, as well. So we have quite a few things. I'm just gonna take everything out. Oh, a cute little note. Oh man. They've really packed this in here. Look at all this bubble wrap. Throw that box aside. Alright. So first of all, the things that we can see right away is I bought 2 of these cute Kawaii molds. It might be a little hard to see, but I have a smaller version of this mold, and it's cute little bunnies. There's a bear, cat, and hearts. And I got 2 so I can make multiple batches at the same time. Then I got some more Halloween molds because I love Halloween molds. So this one's a spooky house. And then this one is 3 different bats. Can't wait to use those. The next thing that I got is these little cups. Let me take one out to show you. But basically these little cups I'm going to use to mix my resin in. So I got a pack of 5 of them. And they're basically just cute little silicone cups, so I can mix different colors in. I can use my UV light or let them sit overnight, and then just easily clean them right off. And they've even got the little pour spout too. I think those are going to be really handy. Now everything else is in bubble wrap, so I'm just going to shove it all aside. So the first thing that we have, if I can get this out, they really bubble wrapped everything really good this time. So the first thing that we have is this little container, and it has a whole bunch of little micro marble like pearls. It looks like there's some ruby, some little bit of metal things to throw inside of stuff. And it looks like there's some gems as well. I did get 2 of these, and I got different colors. I don't remember the colors that I got, but I can put everything that I bought here in the description in the order that I unwrap it. So this is another one with the different micro marbles. This one looks more like a pearl. There's lots of just like white stones in it. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but there's also some gold little accent things in there as well. Next, what's in this one? So the next thing is these little stars. I bought, I think these were a 50 pack, but they might be 30. So I plan to just drop a little bit of like dot of resin into each one and then make a whole bunch so I could just add them on as little accents just to add that extra little thing onto it. Next, ooh, yes. These are little star-shaped clips. So you use them on the end just like you would a keychain. And it's got the nice little swivel bit. And then over here we have a little hinge. Bring it a little bit closer. These are a lot smaller than I was expecting, which is actually really good because I thought they were going to be like this big, like just the star. So I'm actually really happy that these are much smaller than I was thinking. I'm pretty sure I got the same type of thing in the star and in the heart of the gold and the silver. And I can't remember how many of each I got though. So we will slowly find those. Let me try to find. So found the silver stars. This is the same thing, just in silver. Ooh, so these are cute little fox open bubbles. I got these to make my partner some little foxes, even though he's probably not going to use them, but I love making little things. So you have that one. Cute little hanging one. One's really cute, like lying down on something. Just a little cat. And another little fox. I actually think these just look like cats. So I'm wondering if I ordered just some cat things for Mum, which I may have done. I ordered so many things. Alright, what's next? So these are the heart clips that I got. I also got these in silver, which I think is this bag right here. Yes. So we have the gold and the silver of the hearts with the same exact clips, which once again I'm so happy that they're a lot smaller than I thought that they were going to be. Next one. Oh, pretty. So these, there's two different packages here stacked together, but these are, they're like Japanese, like, molds. They're not the Sakuras, but you have a maple leaf, and then we have a temple or castle. And then we have this one as well, which is like little bits of wind going through the sky. That one's got some really tiny detail. And this is just the same thing, but two. I must have ordered two of them. Next, I think these are the Sakura ones. My favorite like phone strap that I have is getting a little bit dirty, so I swapped it out. But I saw that they had these Sakura bezels, and so this is just like a huge line of them. But it's all just the Sakura flower. And so I have lots of plans to make these for overload so I can sell them, because I think they're going to look awesome. So happy to get more of those because I love the Sakura ones. Alright, let's... Alright, so this flung out of this package earlier. But basically, let me see if I can find where it actually closes. Oh, I see, there's a little tiny hole in the package, which is why it opened. I can't find, it must be underneath the sticker. So I'm just gonna actually open up this hole. These are kind of like, they're not jump rings, but I plan to use them next to jump rings on certain keychains that I'm going to make. So we have some snowflakes, we have some moons, stars, and they're all just, they each have on either end a little circle so that they can be hooked like in the middle, which I'm super excited about because it's just going to be able to add that little bit extra touch again. I only did get those in gold because I find that most of the bezels that I've been getting are all in gold. So this is, I believe, a 60 gram bottle. Oh man, I might need to use my knife on this one. It's a 60 gram bottle of UV resin, and I bought a whole bunch of small bottles a while ago, and I only have, I think, 2 left, but I've been starting to use UV resin a bit more, so I wanted to make sure that I had enough extra. And I saw that they had this larger bottle, so I just decided to just get that. Wow, they really wrapped that. Yep, so it's just a black bottle, so the light can't get to it, and it just has their logo on it, and it'll just be nice. Cut the tip off, ready to use. And I may actually end up keeping this bottle and then pouring all of the other ones into this, just so I don't have a billion little bottles everywhere. And then, ooh, this is like a really nice foam. I did not order a lot of molds this time, but I did get this one because I love my dogs. You may be able to hear one of them snoring in the background. But basically it's just a whole bunch of dog bones. And yes, it occasionally looks naughty, but I promise you it's dog bones. And I thought that these would be a really cute idea, that I can make them in pink or blue or greens or just all different colors to be able to sell. And then the very last thing, which I'm super excited about, yes! So this whole bunch of glitters and micro marbles and confetti and bigger like marbles. We also have some gems over here. Oh, they're so awesome. I can't wait to start putting these into things. We even have some confetti that's like heart-shaped. I think it's probably a bit too hard to see. Oh, I'm so excited. There's, I think, 36 in this. And it's just going to be amazing. And then later on, I can use these little bottles and make like little potions in them. Yes! Yay! So excited. Awesome. So, once again, thank you so much. I love your shop so much. I follow these guys on Instagram as well, and they always post all of their new stuff, which is awesome, because then you get to see it and you get to go to their Aliexpress shop, and then you're like, oh, yes, I want to buy this, and then every time they come out with a whole bunch of stuff, I just keep adding it to my cart, and then I just make a huge shop like I did with this. And then once they like see that you're a recurring customer, they send you a few freebies, even if it is just like a chopped up piece of mold, which is awesome because it's something that I probably wouldn't have gotten otherwise. So thank you guys for this. It's actually really cute considering I just got the dog bone mold as well. And cute little paws. Yay! Anyways, I will probably hopefully try to do some more opening videos like this, but also I want to start doing maybe some time lapses as well of just the things that I create as well, just to, I don't know, have something else to do, you know, show you what I think and how I like how to do things. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, give me a follow if you really want. I don't know how often I'll actually make videos, but if you don't mind me rambling on and on and on trying to make conversation, then this is the video for you. Alright, see you guys!